Which glass air fryer is actually worth your money? Simple question, but you have to dig a little deeper to get the real answer. Today, we're diving into the top 5 options that not only look great, but also deliver healthy cooking results. Product number 1, Ninja Crispi 4-in-1. First up is the Ninja Crispi 4-in-1 glass air fryer. Priced at $228.03, this one caught my eye with its sleek design and all-in-one functionality. If you want a versatile appliance that can bake, air fry, and reheat without compromising flavor, this is worth a serious look. Plus, the clean, crisp glass containers are non-toxic, meaning you're cooking without harmful chemicals. The programmable features, temperature control, and automatic shutoff give you the freedom to multitask without worrying about overcooking. Now, some people complained about the size being somewhat bulky for smaller kitchens. Here's the thing though, if you're cooking for a family or love meal prepping, this size actually works in your favor. It really minimizes cooking time and maximizes your output. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an all-in-one solution for healthier meals without the hassle. Skip this one if you have limited counter space or prefer a more compact option. Overall, the value for money is solid considering the multiple cooking functions you get. Now, if the size of the Ninja Crispi bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Cook with Color 5QT. Next on the list is the Cook with Color 5QT Digital Kitchen Air Fryer, retailing at just $106.38. This one stands out with its vibrant blush color and transparent glass basket. If you want a stylish yet functional air fryer that lets you see your food cooking, this is a great option to consider. The large capacity is perfect for family portions, and the 60-minute timer means you can set it and forget it, making it excellent for busy kitchens. The adjustable temperature range from 175 degrees F to 400 degrees F allows you to tackle everything from crispy snacks to full meals. However, some users pointed out that the glass basket can be difficult to remove and clean if food gets stuck. But honestly, if you use some cooking spray or oil, that's typically not a huge issue. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, so cleanup is a breeze. This is a great choice for anyone who loves aesthetics and functionality. Skip this if you're looking for something more compact. For its price, it offers excellent value as a reliable daily cooking companion. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for eco-conscious cooks. Product number 3, Willow Eco Series White. Coming in at a similar price point, we have the Willow Eco Series 6-in-1 Air Fryer, priced at $101.35. This one caught my attention because it's crafted from 99% recycled plastics, making it perfect for eco-friendly cooks. If you want to contribute to the planet while enjoying healthy meals, this is the one to check out. The high-powered 1500W system provides fast, even cooking with up to 85% less fat, giving you crispy results without the guilt. Plus, it features a touchscreen digital display with 6 preset modes, making it user-friendly for all skill levels. Some users mention that it can be a bit noisy compared to other air fryers. But honestly, if you're used to a busy kitchen, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. The performance and health benefits make it worth it. This one is perfect for environmentally conscious individuals who don't want to compromise on performance. Skip it if you're looking for something with a smaller footprint. Given its eco-friendly design, this offers incredible value for the health-conscious cook. Now, if you like the eco-friendly idea but want something with a twist, wait until you hear about the next one. Product number 4, Willow Eco Series Green. Another variant from Willow is the Eco Series 6-in-1, but in a stylish hunter green for $97.56. It shares many features with the white version but gives you a different aesthetic. If sustainability and style matter to you, this could be the right pick. It boasts the same impressive specs, including a 1500W cooking system and a glass basket that lets you monitor your cooking. The 5-quart capacity is perfect for small families, while the quiet operation keeps your kitchen peaceful. The dishwasher-safe feature also means you spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your meals. While it has all these great features, some users found the touchscreen controls a bit sensitive. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it becomes second nature. Plus, the benefits absolutely outweigh this minor inconvenience. This is ideal for trendy cooks who want an eco-friendly option. Skip this if you need something for larger families. It's a fantastic value considering its stylish look and functionality. Finally, if you're looking for something unique and compact, you'll want to hear about this last one. Product number 5, Astralship Glass Air Fryer. Last but definitely not least is the Astralship Glass Air Fryer priced at $126.70. This 2-in-1 flip air fryer and grill combo is a game changer for small kitchens. If you want versatility and compact design, this one is worth considering. The standout feature is its 360 degrees visible cooking and flip design, allowing you to watch your food without losing heat. It uses advanced heating technology that cooks faster than conventional ovens, making weeknight dinners a breeze. The glass bowl is Teflon-free, so you won't have to worry about harmful chemicals. However, some users mention that the capacity might be small for larger families. But honestly, for singles or couples, this is perfect, and the 5.5 quart total capacity is still substantial for a few servings. Skip this if you need something for big gatherings. Overall, it provides fantastic value, especially for its innovative design and health-friendly features. So there you have it. The Ninja Crispy is fantastic for family meals, cook with color add style, while the Willow Eco series offers eco-friendliness. The second Willow variant adds a trendy touch, and the Astralship brings versatility to small kitchens. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so your choice really depends on your cooking needs. Whatever you choose, healthy meals are just a fry away.